Hi, my name's Jonathan Wall. I'm the president of Pillarhouse USA, and I'm speaking to you from IPC Apex 2025 in Anaheim. The research looks into how we use convection in conjunction with the IR and adjust the wavelengths to best suit. We're looking at trying to provide a better process. So a better process means ultimately that you have a circuit board with less failures, more easily set up, more easily run, therefore less waste of the end product outside of what our machine uses. We believe that process control as a whole is a sustainability initiative because process control allows you to produce something with very little waste. And with fluxing, you've got a VOC chemical, and what we do is we offer different orifice size heads to try to limit to just the amount of flux required. In addition to that, we use nitrogen in our solder pots, and the solder pot and pump assemblies themselves actually require attention to reduce the amount of waste. Efficient use of that reduces the amount of dross produced, which is pure waste that has to be recycled. Additionally, the nitrogen supply is a function of air supply to a nitrogen generator. So the efficiency we've built into our nitrogen generators with dew point analysis, understanding how we basically balance the sieve so there's no waste, allows us to reduce the output of the compressor that supplies it by 20%.